Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool heart envelope. So you need an A4 paper. It can be a double-sided or it can be just a regular paper. We're going to start by making a diagonal fold, aligning it with the left side of the page. I always like to use a bone folder for all my folding. Now we're going to bring the top and fold it like this. Again, always align it with the left side. Now let's open the folds and fold the bottom all the way up to that horizontal fold line that we did. So basically we have divided the A4 paper into 3 parts. Next we're going to fold the bottom up to the first score line, just making sure it reaches that score line. And then we're going to flip the paper and fold it in half vertically like this. In just a few folds, we're going to have a really cool heart on the front and an envelope all in one. Next, open the fold and fold the corners diagonally, aligning it with that center score line that we just did. Always burnish the folds. Now flip the paper and then bring the corner all the way up to the score line. It's a little hard to see, but there is a score line there, the one that we did in the beginning, the horizontal score line. Burnish the folds well and then flip the paper, and now we're going to fold the top of the heart shape. So you're going to open the fold like this, flatten it, making sure it's straight, and then fold the corner all the way down, and then the top all the way down as well. You're going to fold up until the line of that paper, and we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. It's a few little folds and you're basically going to have a heart. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom in and do it again up close so you will see how to do these folds. So this is what we started with. We're going to open the fold, making sure it's flattened, and then fold the corner and then the top. And then we're going to repeat that with the other side. So I hope that's clear. Oops, wrong way. Now we can flip the paper and you have a heart. Isn't that cool? So now let's fold the sides to create an envelope. So just fold them straight on both sides. And then we're going to attach the sides to create an envelope. This one goes on the bottom under the heart. If you need to adjust the fold, you might need to do that, because if the paper is a little bit thick, then maybe you will need to move the fold a little bit, but just make sure it goes under the heart. Now let's open it back. Attach glue. You can use whatever glue that you want. Just make sure that your heart is still folded. I'm going to put some liquid glue just to make sure everything is really strong. So we're going to do that on both sides and then glue the envelope, and then you can insert a card, a little gift, a gift tag, whatever, a gift card, whatever you want, you can insert into that camera. Now, I haven't tried this envelope with other size papers, but you can try and see if you can manage it. You can't use square paper, that will not work, so it needs to be basically in the same dimensions or similar dimensions to an A4, or 8.5 by 11 will work as well. Just try and see how it works. Oops, didn't put enough glue. And this is how my envelope looks after I've embellished it a little bit. Added a few embellishments. I really hope you like this tutorial. It's really easy. Please give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects. Now, if you don't like those white parts, you can use a double-sided paper, and then the white parts will also have a pattern or a color. So that is completely up to you. So again, thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.